Which kitchen sink is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Kraus Standard Pro. The Kraus Standard Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl sink, priced at $399.95. What caught my attention is its heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel construction. If you want a sink that balances durability with sleek design, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The universal design and easy-to-clean rounded corners mean you won't spend all your time scrubbing away grime. With dimensions of 30L by 18W by 10.5 inches D, it fits perfectly in a standard cabinet, offering a generous bowl size of 28L by 16W. And let's be real, the undermount installation creates a seamless look that simplifies cleanup. You can just swipe crumbs right into the sink. Plus, its wear-resistant satin finish is not prone to rust or stains, making maintenance a breeze. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, investing in a quality sink like this one will save you headaches down the road with repairs or replacements. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a long-lasting sink that performs well under daily use. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or want a smaller sink. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your workspace and keeping your kitchen organized.
Product number 2, Kraus Core Workstation. The Kraus Core 32-inch undermount workstation sink, retailing at $499.95. This caught my eye because it's not just a sink, it's a full workstation. If you want to streamline your kitchen tasks, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The integrated ledge lets you slide accessories like a bamboo cutting board right over the sink. It's a game changer for keeping your counter clutter-free. With dimensions of 32L by 19W by 10.5D, it gives you ample space to tackle big cooking projects. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, the easy draining design means you won't deal with water pooling. Now, some reviews mention that the installation can be tricky for DIYers, but honestly, if you have a little help or hire a pro, the benefits of having this multifunctional workstation far outweigh the hassle. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook and want a sink that can handle it all. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, traditional sink setup. It's definitely worth the investment for the convenience it offers.
Product number 3, Worsist Utility Sink. The Worsist Utility Sink, priced at $170.98. This one is a bit different as it's more of a freestanding utility option. If you need a sink for your garage or laundry room, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hot and cold water line and tool-free assembly make it super convenient to set up wherever you need it. At 23 inches wide and 38 inches tall, it fits perfectly in tight spaces while giving you a spacious bowl for washing up. The NSF certified stainless steel means it's built to last and resist rust, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. Some users noted that it feels a bit lightweight compared to traditional sinks. Here's the thing though, for a utility sink, the ease of setup and versatility in placement make it a fantastic value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a practical sink for laundry, gardens, or workshops. Skip this one if you need a high-end kitchen sink for cooking and serving.
Product number 4, Sanya Casa 30-inch sink. The Sanya Casa 30-inch undermount kitchen sink is next, priced at $184.49. This one caught my attention with its multifunctional workstation features. If you want a versatile sink that maximizes your kitchen space, check this out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The integrated single-tier rail allows you to slide accessories like cutting boards and drying racks right into the sink area, keeping everything organized. The 11-gauge stainless steel gives it extra durability, while the X-shaped drain grooves make sure water flows quickly, preventing any buildup. With dimensions of 30 inches by 19 inches by 10 inches, it's designed for larger pots and pans, making meal prep much easier. Now, some people found the accessories a bit bulky, but honestly, having the right tools for prepping meals can save you a lot of time and effort in the kitchen, making it a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a functional workspace in your kitchen. Skip this if you prefer a no-frills sink that's just for washing dishes. Product number 5, Artline Black Sink. Last but not least is the Artline Black Kitchen Sink, retailing for $119.99. This one stood out because of its sleek black design and practical features. If you want something modern and easy to clean, keep listening. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The nano brushed finish means water just slides off, which makes cleaning a breeze. The 19.7 inches by 17.7 inches size fits well into smaller kitchens while still providing a deep bowl for washing. The included accessories like a pull-out faucet and colander also enhance its functionality, allowing you to multitask effectively. Some reviewers mention that it can scratch easily if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, with proper care, this stylish sink can really elevate the look of your kitchen while still being incredibly useful. This is perfect for you if you want a trendy sink that's also functional. Skip this if you need a more traditional stainless steel look or require a larger size.
So, to wrap it up, the Kraus Standard Pro offers durability. The Kraus Core provides a full workstation setup. The Worsted utility sink is perfect for practical needs. The Sanyakasa is great for versatile cooking, and the Art line adds a modern touch. Each sink has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your kitchen best.